Hi class, my name is Pia Aulia Ramadhani. I will tell you how to make passion fruit cold drink. Before we make it, first we have to prepare passion fruit syrup, cold water, sugar, glass and spoon. Okay, let's get started. First, put the syrup into the glass. Next, add a little sugar. After that, add a cold water to the sugar and syrup mixture. The last one, stir the water with the syrup until evenly. And here it is, passion fruit cold drink ready to be served.